All right. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little bit of an interview. Is that okay? All right. This is for my school, okay? And we're just going to, sorry kiddo, excuse me. We're just going to check out kind of what you know about fractions, all right? You're not going to get a grade. None of this is going to be shared or anything like that, okay? We're going to take a video. You okay with being videotaped?
Yeah.
All right, and I'm just going to be sharing that with my teacher.
All right.
Sound good? All right, so you got a lot of stuff in front of you, right? Okay, so we have, these are cut fraction pieces on paper. Okay, you got a pencil, you got a big eraser, scratch paper if you need. These are fraction bars. These are fraction pies. And you also have fraction pizzas. Sound like a deal? All right, and you can use whatever you need or want to use as we go through. All right, so let's see what we're going to ask you. So why don't you start by just telling me what you know about fractions?
Fractions are decimals. You can change decimals into fractions by if you have like 2.30, or you could change that into a decimal by the 2 and then the 300, and then that would be the 10, I think.
Okay.
Pretty sure. I'm not sure about that. But fractions, you can times them, you can multiply them, you could minus them, add them. You could turn them into pies if you want, I guess. Because if you had a half of one, it's like a half of a circle. And then that other half would be shaded, and that would be 1 1/2 of a fraction. And if you would have to add multiple fractions that have different denominators, there's numerators and denominators. Denominator is the lower one, and then numerator is the top one. So if you have the different denominators, like if you had 2, 1, and 1/2, and then like 3, 6, and then 12, 6, they would all equal up to 1/2 because they all bring down. If you bring down them, that 6 can go into that 12 times.
Very good. Awesome. We're going to ignore the phone for a minute, okay?
Alright.
All right, so well, I was going to ask you, what are fractions?
Fractions are numbers that are they're like I said at the beginning,
Mm-hmm.
they're like a, I forgot what it's called, like 2.30.
Mm-hmm.
They're kind of like that if you add them to that.
Okay. And when have you seen fractions?
Huh?
When have you seen them? When have you seen fractions?
I've seen them in class because in math right now we're actually learning about fractions.
Mm-hmm.
So, and how to add them up, like with different denominators, and how to get that same denominator to do it.
Have you ever seen them anywhere else?
They're probably going to be used in like older life if you work for like construction to get dirt,
Okay.
or you see enough dirt, or to get enough dirt, or you need enough things for what you need to build.
Yeah, all right. And how do you know when something's a fraction? What tells you that something's a fraction?
You can tell that something's a fraction if it has a point or like a line kind of.
Okay. Awesome. And I'm just taking notes, all right, of the stuff that you're saying so that I can look back on it later, okay? So you already kind of did, but can you tell me again what the parts of a fraction are?
Parts of the fraction is like a numerator and a denominator. A denominator is probably the main part of it because if you have a different denominator when you're either adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing fractions, you have to either do a method to get the same denominator again or to get a different denominator.
Okay.
Or not different. Yeah, different.
Okay. Awesome. And then, so now I'm going to ask you some questions about different fractions, and then we'll do a problem or two. Sound like a deal? All right, so what fraction is larger, 1/2 or 3/4?
1/2.
1/2. How did you come up with your answer?
Because the 3/4 is not a half because the 3 doesn't go into the 4 once or twice.
Okay.
It only goes into it once.
Mm-hmm.
And the half, that 1 can go into the 2 twice.
All right. So now you can use one of the resources in front of you, this one or any of the pieces that I gave you, okay? But I want you to use something to show me 2 different 1/2s.
2 different ones.
Show me 1/2 in 2 different ways. Okay.
There's 1/2. And then
So this is 1/2.
just one side of it is
Just-
1/2.
Okay.
Because if it was 1 whole, which is if you added another 1, it would be 1 whole because it's 2/2.
Okay. Awesome. Is there another way you could show me 1/2? Okay.
So
Awesome. So you wrote a fraction of 12/24? Sweet. All right. So now can you show me 3/4?
like show you 3/4 and
The same way you kind of did with 1/2, where you kind of showed me 2 different ways. You can pick whatever 2 ways you want. Okay, cool. All right, now I want you to draw a number line and number it 1 through 4.
like a hole into it.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Okay. So now on this number line, could you show me where 2 and 1/4 would be? Good. All right. So now let's look at our pizza fraction pieces. All right, or you could draw your own pizza. It's up to you, whichever way you want to do it. And let's imagine you invite 5 of your friends over for a sleepover at the house. Okay. How would you cut the pizza and how many pieces would everybody get? You might have to do some digging. You have 5 friends coming over. You can cut your pizza into however many pieces you want.
Okay, so then it's 6. Just counting you.
No, you don't count me.
Oh, alright. Well, that's you're not counting yourself?
Nope, just counting for 5. But I like that you thought that through. That's awesome. So what did you cut your pizza into? How many pieces?
5.
5 pieces, okay. And so how many pieces of pizza is everyone gonna get? 1 piece, okay. All right. Now again, you can use whatever resources you want, okay? And so I'm gonna read you a word problem and you're gonna solve it. Sound like a deal? All right. Susan had a birthday party and 5 of her friends came to celebrate with her. Her mom made 24 cupcakes for the party. Susan and her friends decide that each person should get the same amount of cupcakes. So you have Susan and her 5 friends this time.
Okay, so 6. And then 24 cupcakes?
Mom made 24 cupcakes. How many cupcakes is each person gonna get if we want them all nice and equal? All right, one more. Gregory and Mark are training for a big race. One morning, Gregory and Mark woke up and went for a morning run. Gregory ran 11 14ths of a mile, and Mark ran 9 17ths of a mile. Who ran the farthest?
So 11/14 is great.
11 14ths is greater?
Greg?
Greg, yes, sorry. I thought you said greater. Yep, that's Greg, and then Mark ran 9 17ths. So who ran the farthest?
They're equal.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to tell me about? About fractions or anything like that?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? All right, awesome. Give me 5. You did great. We are done. Not too bad, right?